is the eternal nemesis of every car owner. But fear not, fellow motor enthusiasts. We're about to embark on an epic quest to conquer rust holes and transform your ride from a corroded relic to a gleaming chariot. Buckle up and prepare for the ride of a lifetime as we unveil the ultimate masterclass in rust repair. Greetings, grease monkeys and DIY daredevils! Are you ready to unleash your inner automotive wizard and restore your beloved wheels to their former glory? Well, you've come to the right place. In this adrenaline-pumping video, we're diving headfirst into the world of rust repair, revealing the secrets that will turn even the most clueless beginners into a rust-fighting superhero. Picture this. Your ride, once plagued by unsightly rust holes, is now a shining testament to your skills and dedication. Friends and neighbors will marvel at your newfound expertise, wondering if you secretly possess a magic wand. But no, my friend, the only magic you need is the knowledge we're about to bestow on you. Together, we'll embark on a step-by-step adventure, navigating the treacherous terrain of rust holes with precision and finesse. From assessing the damage to filling, sanding, priming, and painting, we'll guide you through the entire process like a seasoned pit crew member. But beware, this isn't your average DIY tutorial. Oh no, we're taking it up a notch. We're about to unleash the power of precision upon those pesky rust holes, showing you the insider techniques and expert tips that will make your repairs a work of art. Get ready to impress even the most skeptical of onlookers. So grab your trusty tools and roll up your sleeves, because we're about to embark on a rust-busting journey like no other. Mastering rust repair is within your grasp, and we're here to help you seize it. Are you ready to revitalize your ride and become the envy of every car enthusiast? Then let's dive in and fix those rust holes with surgical precision. Step 1. Assessing the damage. The moment of truth. It's time to get up close and personal with those rust holes. Think of it as a CSI investigation, but instead of solving crimes, we're fixing your ride. So grab your magnifying glass or just squint really hard and let's assess the damage. Take a good look at your vehicle, inspecting it from every angle like a detective on a case. Look out for those sneaky rust spots that have made themselves at home on your precious metal. Is it just a small, harmless speck? Or has it grown into a monstrous hole that could swallow a can of soda? Identify the severity of the rust holes like a seasoned pro. Step 2. Gathering the necessary tools and materials. Now that you know what you're up against, it's time to arm yourself with the right tools and materials. Picture yourself as a knight preparing for a battle, but instead of a sword and shield, you'll need some trusty rust-fighting weapons. Choose your materials wisely, my friend. From rust converters to primers and fillers, each one plays a vital role in your quest for a rust-free ride. Don't skimp on quality here. We want your repairs to last longer than a pack of gum in a teenager's pocket. Step 3. Preparing the work area. No artist creates a masterpiece without repairing their canvas. And you, my friend, are about to become a rust repair Picasso. But first, let's tidy up the work area. Remove loose rust and debris with the gusto of Marie Kondo, decluttering a messy closet. We don't want any unwanted guests crashing our rust repair party. So grab your trusty wire brush and give that rusty surface a good scrubbing. It's time to bid farewell to all the flaky bits and pieces that are standing between you and the pristine repair job. Step 4. Cutting out the rust. Precision, my friend, is the name of the game in this step. Imagine you're a surgeon, delicately removing the rust from your vehicle's body. But instead of scalpels, you'll be using some cutting tools and measuring tape. Measure twice, cut once, they say. And boy, they're right. Take your time to measure the area you need to cut out with surgical precision. We don't want any unnecessary casualties, especially when it comes to the surrounding metal. Keep your hands steady, your eyes sharp, and follow our tips to avoid any accidental damage. We're not performing open heart surgery, but this rust repair deserves the same level of care. Step 5. filling and smoothing the surface. Alright Picasso, it's time to unleash your artistic skills. We have multiple methods to fill those rust holes, so choose the one that speaks to your inner Bob Ross. Remember, we're not just repairing, we're creating a seamless masterpiece. Once the filler is applied, it's time to smooth things out. Think of yourself as a sculptor, gently molding the surface until it's as smooth as a baby's bottom. Achieving a smooth finish is key, my friend. Sand, prime, and repeat until your repair blends seamlessly into the surrounding metal. Your ride will thank you for it, and so will all the jealous onlookers. Now it's time for a pit stop and a quick check-in. Are you feeling the adrenaline rush of conquering rust holes? Or are you still revving your engines and looking for that burst of inspiration? Drop a comment below and let us know how your rust repair adventure is going so far. Remember, you're not alone on this wild ride. Keep pushing forward and let's get back on the road to rust-free greatness. Step 6. Priming and painting. Now, let's talk about the magical transformation from a patched-up rust hole to a seamless work of art. We're diving into the world of priming and painting, where colors come alive and your vehicle gets a well-deserved makeover. Buckle up, Picasso! When it comes to automotive paints, you've got options aplenty. From spray cans to professional-grade finishes, it's like choosing the perfect shade for your ride is a quest of its own. Consider factors like durability, ease of application, and of course, the all-important color match. You don't want your car to look like it got dressed in the dark, right? Pro tip: visit your local auto supply store or consult with the paint experts to find the perfect match for your vehicle's color code. Trust us, color mismatches can be a real eyesore, like wearing socks that don't match your shoes. Let's keep it classy, folks. Now, on to achieving that professional paint job. It's all about patience and precision, my friends. Before you unleash the paintbrush or spray gun, ensure your repaired surface is as smooth as a baby's bottom. Sand away any imperfections or rough edges, like giving your car a spot treatment to achieve that flawless finish. When it's time to paint, remember the cardinal rule: thin layers. It's like layering a cake or applying makeup. Hey, we're all about relatable metaphors here. Multiple thin coats are your secret weapon for avoiding gloppy, uneven results. Let each coat dry before applying the next, and you'll have a finish that'll make heads turn faster than a double take on the street. Step 7. Final touches and protection. Congratulations, Michelangelo! You've successfully transformed your rust-riddled vehicle into a work of automotive art. But wait, we're not done just yet. It's time for the final touches and protection to ensure your masterpiece stays magnificent for the long haul. Blending the repaired area seamlessly with the rest of your vehicle is the name of the game. You don't want it to stick out like a sore thumb at a fancy dinner party. To achieve this, use a technique called feathering. Gently feather the edges of the repaired area with sandpaper, gradually blending them into the surrounding paint. It's like giving your car a soft, invisible hug. Now, let's talk about keeping the rust at bay and preserving your hard work. Remember, prevention is better than a rusty cure. Regularly wash your vehicle, paying extra attention to the repaired area. Treat it like a delicate flower in need of some tender, loving care. Apply a protective coat of wax or clear sealant to shield it from the elements. Think of it as slathering on sunscreen to protect your car's skin from harmful UV rays. Last but not least, don't forget to check on your repaired area periodically. Keep an eye out for any signs of rust attempting a comeback, like a persistent ex who just won't take the hint. If you spot any issues, address them promptly to nip them in the bud. After all, maintaining your repair job is the key to long-lasting results and a rust-free ride. Rev up those wrenches and grab your paintbrushes, because you, my friend, are now a certified rust-fighting superstar. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. There's a whole world of automotive knowledge waiting to be explored, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't miss out on future adventures and exciting DIY tips and tricks. Hit that subscribe button. Join our community of car enthusiasts right here in Car Computer Exchange. And let's keep the rust at bay together. Stay tuned, stay awesome, and keep those wheels turning.